Joy Ganesh. Hello students. Welcome to my English class. Class English Grammar, class 9 of chapter 3. In this chapter, we will learn about time and tense. What is time and what is tense? And what is the difference between time and tense? What is the concept of tense? What is the definition of tense? What do you mean by tense? With the examples and the use of tense. That is important. We know tense is an important chapter in English grammar. We all should have a clear-cut concept or clarity about the tense. I think if you follow me, you can have a clarity or a clear concept about the tense. Let us discuss first time. We know time. We are all familiar with the concept of time. We know the flow of time is continuous and unending. For convenience, we have divided into broadly into three periods: the past time, the present time, and future time. The past time here means before the time of speaking. Present time means at the time of speaking. Now we are talking or I am speaking. It is present time. Before this time is the past time. Future time means after the time of speaking. So this is, take the examples. He is playing football now. This is the boy is playing. He is playing. So this is present time. He played football yesterday. This is past time because yesterday is refers to the past time. He will play football tomorrow. Tomorrow you see shows that it is a future time. But tense is something different. Tense is a grammatical concept. It is in language. Tense is the verb form that indicates time. That means the English verbs are tense markers. They have only two forms. For the example, go for present tense and went for past tense. No other verb form is there to indicate future. So it is said that no, there is no future tense in English. You see, let us discuss take some examples, and we will see how tense and time differs. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. You see, get up here is the tense verb or the past verb in the verbal group, and it is carries tense or mark the tense marker. So here is the present tense, time is present time. I saw him yesterday. Saw shows the past tense and it is indicates or shows the past time. Tomorrow is Sunday. Is used for the present tense. But here time is it, tomorrow is it future time. It is time the children went home. Here went stands for the past tense. But here time shows it is time the children went home, time present time. So they leave for tomorrow, Puri tomorrow. Usually leave stands for present tense, but in this sentence shows the time is future time. So we have discussed from the example, so we came to know that there is a not same to same time and a tense. And there is a difference. So we should be careful while using the tenses of the verb. Let us discuss the three times: present time and past time and future time. How do we usually express the present time? We use actions in the present time are usually expressed by the use of present simple and present progressive tense forms of the verb. We know. Take the example, I am in class 9. Here am is stands for the present simple and time is here present time. And we are learning grammar. Here we are learning A stands for or marks the present progressive tense, but here time is the present time. So we know present tense, present simple tense and present progressive tense talk about present time. Then expression of past time. Actions in the past time are usually expressed by the use of present perfect tense, present perfect progressive, past simple, past progressive, past perfect and past perfect progressive. Take the examples. They have already left for Mumbai. Here tense is present perfect tense. But the time of action is past time. He is tired. He has been working for 12 hours. Has been working the present perfect progressive tense. But it stands for the time mentions is past time. I saw him yesterday. Saw is the past simple tense, and past time shows the past time. The man was driving a car. Past progressive tense was driving. Past time shows the past time. The train had left before we arrived at the station. The past perfect tense had left and shows the past time. He had been driving for 2 hours when the car ran out of petrol. The past progressive tense is used. Past perfect progressive tense is used for past time. You see, we have discussed, we know that present or past, present perfect progressive, past simple, past progressive, past perfect and past perfect progressive are used for the expression of a past time. Let us discuss how to express future time. Future actions and events are expressed through the use of some modals. I shall go, you will go, we are going to attend a party, present progressive, she is getting married next month. Present simple, the school reopens on 1st August, be about to, will be ing form, will have, been, etc. Take the example. The exam begins on 10th July 2020. Present simple tense is used to talk about the future time. Okay. So let us do the activity 1. Study the following sentences and underline the tensed verb. Mention the tense and time these verbs refer to. You see, tensed verb means a finite verb. Means the first verb in the verbal group in a sentence carries the tense, so that is the tensed verb. Let us discuss first. Mira did not do her homework. You see, did not is the tensed verb, and here tense is the past tense, and time refers to the past time. We are going on a picnic tomorrow. We are going is the tense verb are, and here the present progressive tense is there, present tense is there, and used for future time. There will be a lot of fun. Will is the tense verb, and tense here is the present tense, and for future time. Tomorrow is Sunday. Is the verb, tense verb, and tense carries is the present tense for future time. Our teacher has given us permission to go on a picnic. Has given is the present perfect tense for past time. She is coming with us. Is coming is the present tense, or present progressive tense is there, and for present time. We always obey our teacher. You should obey stands for the present simple tense, present tense for present time. She was always biting her nails, or was biting, past tense, past time. I used to go swimming in my childhood. Used to, past tense, past time. The Prime Minister is to visit China next month. Is for present tense and future time. So let us discuss the four forms of present tense, that is present simple tense, present progressive tense, present perfect tense, and a present perfect progressive. First, let us discuss the present simple tense. We usually use present simple tense when we talk about the present time or future time of actions, events or states. For example, take the use. We use present simple tense to talk about regular or habitual action. I go to school every day. My friend usually comes with me. We often reach school before time. Sometimes we get there late. Talk about habitual action. I go on a morning walk every day. Okay? So we use present simple tense to talk about laws of nature, general or scientific truth. Example, the sun rises in the east, the earth moves around the sun, tigers live in the forest. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Light travels faster than sound. Spring comes after winter. So we use present simple tense to talk about the laws of nature, general truth, scientific truth, eternal truth like this. And we also use the present simple tense to talk about the present or permanent state or fact. I am hungry, present state. I study at Bhubaneswar near my village. I study at a school near my village. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Tibet is to the north of India, and my family lives in Jajpur. So these are the examples of present state, present fact, or a permanent state or permanent fact. We use present simple tense in these situations. We use the present simple tense to talk about running commentaries and newspaper headlines. We show if telecast is there, running commentary on sports like this. They have a present simple tense use. Rakesh kicks the ball to Ramesh. Ramesh passes it to Suresh and Suresh kicks it hard and scores a goal. The Chief Minister of Odisha takes over as the president of the party. That is the newspaper headlines. And we use also present simple tense for non-progressive verbs like no, like think. I think it is right. I think it will rain. I do not think it will rain. I think it is time to go home. My brother loves sunny days. He knows how to behave. It belongs to me. So we use present simple tense for non-progressive verbs. Okay? We use present simple tense in exclamatory sentences beginning with here and there. Or there. Here comes the bus. There she goes. So present simple tense is used. Then we also use present simple tense when we talk about planned future action or a future action that takes place as a part of a fixed program or timetable. The day after tomorrow is Monday. It is fixed in the timetable. Okay. Our Prime Minister visits Pakistan tomorrow. Fixed about planned action. The annual examination, HSC examination begins next week. So these are the examples of a future planned future action or fixed in the calendar or program. So present simple tense is used. We use the present simple tense of the verbs in formal declarations like the collector declares the flower show of his district to a poll. The collector declares all the schools closed. I beg your pardon. Okay. We use the present simple tense also in if clauses. Take the example. If you pour oil on water, it floats. If you heat iron, it expands. Okay. So we have already discussed the use of present simple tense in different situations. So we should read it again and keep in mind. And let us do the activities. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. He gets up early every day. He brushes his teeth and has his bath. He takes a quick breakfast. He does not want to be punished at school, so he sets out early to reach school in time. He sits on the same bench in my class. He has straight hair and a sharp nose. What is his name? Okay. So let us discuss about the present progressive tense. We know we have discussed already told, I have told. In present tense, four forms are there: present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. We have already completed present simple. Let us discuss now the present progressive. I am going, I am working. We use the present progressive form of the verb for an action or a situation which is going on now. It is an incomplete action at present. We generally you take the uses. We generally use the present progressive for a urgent time action of a brief duration. Look, Sabita is getting into the bus. My son is now playing cricket in the ground. He is sitting there, he is standing there. Okay? And we also use the present progressive tense of the verb to indicate actions that started at some time of point of time before now, continuing at present, and will end at some point of time after now. It is raining now. Goodly is doing her homework. Okay? We use the present progressive in sentences when we talk about a temporary action. He lives in Bhubaneswar. He is living in Jaipur now. You see, he lives in Bhubaneswar is the permanent action, and he is living in Jaipur now is a temporary action. So you use present progressive tense. My brother is teaching history in an English medium school this month. That means it is temporary action. We use present progressive tense. We use the present progressive tense of the verb to show actions that may not be happening at the time of speaking, but it is going on, it is continuing. My father is writing a novel. My father is now taking his lunch. But his writing a novel means he has started writing a novel, not completed it. It is going to write. Mr. Das is constructing a building over there. Mr. Das is bathing or taking rest, but he is constructing a building over there means his construction was work is going on. Though the action is not taking or happening at the time of speaking, hence present progressive tense is used in this situation. Okay. We use the present progressive tense of the verb to talk about a changing condition. How prices of commodities are going off every week. Summer has set in. It is getting hotter day by day. The prices are increasing right more and more. So in changing situations, we also use present progressive tense. And we use the present progressive tense of the verb to talk about something unpleasant or creating feeling of anger, irritation, vexation, etc. He's always losing his keys, irritating. My scooter is always giving me troubles. The baby is always crying. He's always asking me for money. So you see, in this type of unpleasant situation or feeling of anger, irritation, vexation, we usually use present progressive tense. Okay. So some verbs are non-progressive verbs. We do not usually use them in present progressive tenses. There are some verbs that tell us about our feelings, emotions, options, relations, or about a permanent state. These verbs are called stative verbs. We usually do not use them in present progressive except in some special cases, but they use them in the present simple form. This book belongs to my sister. That man weighs 95 kg. I feel feverish, but the doctor is feeling her pulse. You see, feel is present simple, but is feeling is used present progressive, but in different meaning. Okay. So the verbs of non-progressive verbs are those verbs are do not usually use are used in present progressive. Are verbs of possession. Have, own, possess, belong to, contain, consist. Liking and disliking, like, dislike, love, hate, prefer, admire, want. Sense perceptions, hear, see, hear, smell, taste, feel, and mental activity, hope, forget, remember, thinking, think, believe, know, mind, understand. And verbs of appearance like appear, seem, look, resemble. Other verbs like depend, weigh, cost, measure, sound. These verbs are non-progressive verbs, means these verbs are not usually used in present progressive tense. These are non-progressive verbs. Okay. So let us discuss about the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used When we think of the present result of the past activity, it draws attention to the present relevance of the past action. I have lost my pen. That means I can't write it with anything now. I have lost my pen means a past action, but a present relevance is there. I lost my pen yesterday, past simple is there. Why? Because no relation, no relevance with the present. The present, take the uses, the present perfect tense of the verb is taken for a past action with the present relevance. I have polished my shoes. She has written a letter to her mother. Okay. We use the present perfect tense of the verb to express a action began in the past and still continuing. We have lived in this house for 5 years. I have waited for the doctor since 4 p.m. Study the following sentences and mark the difference in meaning between has gone and has been. You see, in has gone, the gone is the past participle of a go verb. But has been is the past participle of a be verb, main verb. So Abhishek has gone to Puri means Abhishek has already left here and he may be in Puri or he may return like this, but he is on his way. But Rakesh has been Kanyakumari means once or twice he has been now he may be at home. Okay, this is the difference between has gone and has been. So look at the following sentences. Saubhagya Mishra has written a number of poems in English and Saubhagya Mishra, rather writer is a live, so present perfect tense is used. Sachi Raut Rai wrote volumes of poems in Odia. Here Sachi Raut Rai, the poet is no more, so past simple is used. We use the present perfect tense to talk about completed activities in the immediate past, just like this used. He has just gone out. It has just dropped in. We use the present perfect tense for newspaper headlines. For example, thieves have looted the bank. The television has announced the occurrence of a cyclone tomorrow. Two persons have died in the road accident. Okay. So the present perfect tense is used in expressions beginning with the first time, the last time, the for the first, second time, for the last time like this. It is the first time that she has been to Delhi. He is the only boy who has answered my question. Adverbs like just, ever, never, already, late usually take the present perfect. The taxi has just arrived. I have never told a lie. You see, remember we generally use already in affirmative sentences. But yet is used a negative interrogative or negative interrogative sentences. Example, they have already left for London, already used in affirmative sentence. Have not they finished their homework yet? It is used in interrogative negative sentence. You see? Take some other examples. Look at the sentences. She has written 3 letters this morning. I have wronged him of 4 times this afternoon. In these sentences, so that we generally use this morning, this afternoon, this week, etc. to indicate that the period of time of the action is not complete at the time of speaking, such as this morning, that afternoon, like this. So, present perfect tense is used. Am I clear? So, let us discuss the activity. Make sentences in the present perfect tense using the words given. If required, you may use some more words to complete the sentence. The first one has been done for you as the example. Every you been be a Kashmir. You see, make it have you ever been to Kashmir? Never I see a ghost in my life. I have never seen a ghost in my life. My younger brother not finished his homework yet. My younger brother has not finished his homework yet. It first time I take public examination. It is the first time I have taken a public examination. He the best boy I come across. He is the best boy I have ever come across. Who you ever visit the Taj Mahal? Who has ever visited the Taj Mahal? He only played the player that got a chance to play the match. He is the only player who has got a chance to play the match. Okay, so let us discuss the present perfect progressive. The children have been writing letter all day. They have been living here since 2000. Okay, so let us discuss about the uses of the present perfect progressive tense. To say how long something has been happening, the action or state began in the past and is continuing till now. It has been raining hard for 3 hours. Prices have been rising for last 10 years. The action state beginning, but it has stopped now. It has been raining, but it has stopped now. I have been staying in hotel for 6 months, but I have moved to my own house this month. Okay, so we use present perfect progressive tense to indicate that the activity itself has recently stopped, but the present results are clearly seen. Here, the past action is more important. So, present perfect progressive tense is used in this situation. Example, father is ill. He has been working hard. She has been crying since morning. Her eyes are red. Okay. So let us discuss to the activity. Last activity 4. Match the appropriate sentences in relation to tense. I can go home. I can go home now. I have finished my classwork. Okay. You look tired. You have been working in the garden. Have you been working in the garden? Speak the truth. Have you broken the chair? Your eyes are red. You have been crying. Now you can live in that house. We have repaired the roofs. We have finished the present tense in this chapter. So in the next chapter, we learn about past tense and future time. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Best of luck. And I think you like it very much. Best of luck. Yeah.